Hello everyone, I'm Nathan Rodriguez. This is my second video from five. Um, from five, these five videos are gonna be about five different websites that can help you as a teacher create exercises, activities. Um, these are gonna be five different videos changing five different tools, efficient tools that you can implement in class. On last video, I showed you guys how to use live worksheets using it as a student and using it as a teacher. Now I find out this kind of new site web. It is kind of new for me. It is Wordwall. In the the only word that I can find to define the site web is totally dynamic. Uh, Last video I showed you that I'm studying English teaching. I told you that, but I'm focusing on this specific level that is, well, let's say in grade. I'm ninth grade, but in this unit, I use these three main topics that are reported speech, simple passive, second conditional, using the site web live worksheets. How can we use it in the site web? But in this case, of using Wordwall, we're gonna be focusing on this very interesting topic that is the moral of the Costa Rican legends that are the Segua, La Llorona, the Cadejos, the Oxless Scum, the priest without hand, and more others. Now, how can I, as a teacher, uh, make an activity? We can make lots of activities in class. Can be very easy to make it, but if we want to make a little bit more, if we want to use a little bit more the technology, we got this site Wordwall. You can type it in your searcher, wordwall.com or .net, and it will appear this site web. Of course, you can. First of all, you have to create an account. I already access myself, because if you don't have an account, you cannot use or you cannot create any activity. So it is essential, it is crucial to make your own account. Now in here, this specific site web let us the opportunity to use 18 activities, and we can use them all, and we can change the topic, we can change the questions, the answers, so we can make a better activity depending on the topic that we are choosing. For example, we're focusing on the legends of Costa Rica in my case, so I'm gonna be choosing this one. It is one of the most easiest to make. Okay, so if you can even to suggest, you can recommend to your students use this kind of site web if they want to upgrade, if they don't want to develop their level of English. You can suggest this Wordwall, so they have the opportunity to I don't know, to have fun with this kind of exercises that we have over here. Now that we are interested on creating an activity, we gotta go here, create an activity, select anagram. We're gonna make it, and we have to create it right here. Legends of Costa Rica. You have the option of to of giving clues or without clues, you can implement here the instruction, and you can say that the practice or the anagram, um, the anagram, yeah, is that correct? Anagram, yeah. uh, it's about the legends, the name, about the name of the legends of Costa Rica, of the legends that were taught, no, in class. Now these are gonna be the ones that are gonna be, that are gonna appear in the activities. I'm sorry. Um, for example, we got the Llorona. We got the, you have to press enter to do this one. To got, I don't know. Let me show you the Segua. Then you press enter, and it is an easy way, or you can just type add a phrase. Sorry. So we got the Segua, La Llorona, Los Cadejos. We can type right here the priest without head. And that's done. After we type these phrases or the names of the legends that we're focusing on, uh, the on site we will create the activity, and we got it right here. We can share it with with our partners or to the students, and we can start. For example, we got the first one that was the Llorona. So this is a clue. Basically, this is a clue to start the 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 activity. La Llorona, and that's it. Submit answer. And all of them were correct. Now, going on the next one, the Segua, you just have to choose, I don't know, Los Cadejos. This is one de Cadejos. This is the Segua, and you can choose your students to perform it. Now we got the options if we want them to have a limit of time, if they have to mark every letter, change of case, random. This one means that, for example, it starts with a Llorona, but thanks of the random, the Llorona can go at the end or at the middle of the activity. Right here, after you share the the activity, you can see the name of your students, the level of, or the rank of your students, the score, and the time that they took to perform this activity. So that's it. That's Wordwall. Also, you can use many of these activities right here to use it in your class. And that's it for me. See you in the next video.